Why my airline should use it. The duration of this course is 30 minutes without questions and 1 hour with questions. What is BSP? BSP is the abbreviation for Billing and Settlement Plan. It's a neutral ticketing system installed in all IATA travel agencies worldwide, with the exception of the United States, where its U.S. equivalent is used ARC, Airlines Reporting Corporation, as well as some other countries where it is not available. It enables ticket emission through GDS for members only. It is an IATA product governed by about 100 resolutions. BSP has 45 years of existence since it was first established in Japan in 1971. Its annual volume of transactions processed is 270 billion. What is BSP for? BSP is primarily used to issue airline tickets and to collect the corresponding revenue. Before this system's creation, each airline would remit ticket stock to travel agencies against bank guarantees and receive statements of sales from them in order to monitor and collect. The process was long and costly, both for airlines and travel agents. Now, BSP is a system which facilitates sales, reports, procedures, and invoicing between accelerated travel agents and participating airlines. It also provides a set of statistics to monitor the market. It monitors the travel agencies using this system. Where is BSP available? There is a BSP for each country or group of countries. For example, BSP Central and West Africa covers 12 countries. In total, there are 110 in the world, covering 181 countries. However, there is no BSP in certain countries. In the United States, it is replaced by the ARC, Airline Reporting Corporation. See course. In some countries, it is not available for administrative reasons. This is the case in Algeria, Belarus, and some other African and Asian countries. However, IATA activates BSP in new countries regularly. There is also the case of Russia, where two systems coexist, BSP and TCH. Let's take a few minutes to identify the countries where the BSP is not available yet. In Africa, 21 countries are not covered. Only 2 in America, Cuba and the United States. Asia, Oceania, 14 countries. And Europe, only 1, Belarus. How much does BSP cost? BSP is paid for by airlines. Pricing is based on a one-time entry cost and a cost per transaction. The entry cost is now standardized, $5,000 per BSP, regardless of size. In other words, a company pays the same amount for access to BSP Germany as for that of Malta, whose size is much smaller. To be noted, IATA applies a 40% discount on the total joining fees if an airline joins a minimum of 10 BSP in which it is active. There is then a cost per transaction. This is based on the number of transactions of the airline in all BSP of its location.